वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह. Khalsa ji visited us a few days back, so let's listen to his enlightening words. Sadguru Father says, if you want to ask anything, ask from Harijas. He says, Jisnu bakshe sifti salah, Nanak Padshai Padshah. Whoever gets Harijas or Sadguru Father is blessed to sing the praises of the Lord. Means, O Nanak is the King of Kings. Materialistic things are big, but human is very trivial, very small. Sadguru Father says, you want to ask in your prayers, so ask from Harijas, not for other things which have no meaning in the life. But human does not understand this. Secondly, the problem is to see others' things rising, whether properties, real estate, big and magnificent cars. But the problem with these materialistic things are that they are show off, they glitter, and the one who has exhibits it in a pomp and show way. But keep in mind, nothing can be supreme than Dhan Guru Nanak Father. Nanak says, Koi nau na jane mera, kaho Nanak sab teri vadiyai. Means, this is all your greatness. No one even knows my name. In Australia, Punjab's first generation, some of the things are very praiseworthy. And if done endeavors in life, they will understand the immeasurable things. Also, some of the Sikhs there were too generous and full of humility. When talking to a doctor once who started organization based on the Sikhs, the organization's name was Sikh Volunteers. You know what? They actually volunteered to help whites and Australians even when the forest was all set on fire, if you remember. You know what the motive was? To expand the recognition of Sikhism in Australia. Since 10 to 12 years, they were serving people through their organization. When they kept one event, they invited Prime Minister, who was served by one of the elder person who was the old one. They were at back end. They did not come in front. But the PM saw the generosity of them and was so impressed. Talking about the ancient times, in villages at 6 houses, Sangat used to sing and chant with the generosity without any pride. Now they have created a natural system. Amongst those 6 to 7 elder Sikhs, 5 of them are known as Panch Pyare due to their qualities and kind-hearted nature. So, they take all the decisions in case of any disputes or any settlement to be done in the Guru Car. You know what? Sometimes this happens that soul goes in different directions and cooks conspiracies. But we need to hold our actions and stop doing conspiracies and saying better from our outer actions. Then we can step one platform up. We need to do only 3 loud actions. And those 3 loud actions are: first, respect others. Second, love others. And the third is serve other people, and no need to do any other fourth karma with anyone. Once one said, seeing in car to Khalsa ji, should I tell you one inner mischief of myself? Khalsa ji said, yes. You know, that person said that he heard his anecdote and he liked it. And then somebody rang him and he narrated the whole fable or anecdote of Khalsa ji. And then the mischievous mind, you know what it actually gave the direction that he would have sent the katha directly. This is all said. That is why Man Jeete means conquer the mind and conquer the world. So you need to control the inner actions, the mischievous mind. So Sadhguru's father's significance and colors are supreme. 6. Most beautiful color is to discover the soul and mind. Be with Harijus. There are different names of God: Ram, Krishna, Vaheguru. Vaheguru is omnipresent and omniscient, anywhere and everywhere. Two main colors are very beautiful of Maharaj, and they are Satnam and Vaheguru. Starting is done with Satnam by Maharaj, means only one name is true and rest is all lie and illusion. Truly said. Vaheguru is divine and sublime. He knows how to supply oxygen till food. Likewise, how to nourish your child. He knows how to manage all the things. He is present everywhere and cares for us. So he is Vaheguru. So know him and then with love verse Vaheguru. Vaheguru. Come on everyone, verse Vaheguru. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fatah.